Hello and welcome to another video with Mac into English Communication. Today I'm on my webcam because I'm showing you how to use YouTube video for learning English in a better way. So let's jump over to the YouTube website. So I'm at the YouTube website and you need to be signed in. Here you can see. And circling it, you need it to be signed in if you're going to be using YouTube. That will really help. What you want to do is you want to choose an area of interest for you. I suggest you choose food because food is one of the most basic things that everybody needs, everybody eats, and everybody can talk about. When you travel to a different country, one of the first questions is, what kind of food do you eat, or what recipes do you know? What kind of food do you like? Have you tried our food? So think about food as the beginning for your learning and where you'll start. With that, I'm going to be looking for a recipe. So I want some inspiration, so inspired recipe. And here we have an inspired recipes. Maybe I can find something that'll look really good. But before I go further in this, I want you to notice what I'm using here. And the first thing is we're going to be using this filter. Now, they just changed YouTube. Maybe I have some sort of update. Filter used to be on the right side right over here, but now it's on the left side. So I don't know what's going on there. If you open up the filter, there are two filters that I like you to choose from. One of them is this subtitles CC here, and the other filter is this one. So we're going to choose these two filters so you can see what will happen. Okay, let's make it short, and then let's go to the filter again, and let's do the subtitles CC. Now, everybody's a little bit different, so you're going to have different things that come up. I'm going to choose this easy homemade tahini recipe right here. All right, so we choose this, we come inside. You're going to be looking at two or three things here. The CC, that's your subtitles. This is going to be some of your settings. These three dots here, and as well as here. This is where we start. So when you play the video, you play the video, and you see if you like it or not. You see if it sounds good. I usually come to the middle of the video and I listen to see, okay, this is something I can understand. This is something I can use. So the first thing we're going to look at is these control settings. We want to see if they have English subtitles, and they do. Sometimes it's auto-translated, but you don't want it auto-translated. You want to look here and see that there are really subtitles in English. That's going to help you a lot. Let's go back, and you can also see the speed. You can change the speed to normal speed or even slower. Some people can't. Some people say they can't do it. What you can do is start at the slowest speed, and then you can work your way up and it will reset itself to normal speed. That's for the speed, so you can see if you understand it. The next thing I want you to look at here is this little plus dot here. What you want to do is type in something that you're interested in. So you always have a watch later one that's automatically created. I have a level called intermediate. These are playlists that you can use if you use or you create a playlist, this is something you can watch later. So you might say, English learning playlist. Let's make that here. So we want to create the name. I clicked on add playlist and then enter playlist name. So English learning playlist. And then you can make it public or private. Probably you want it private just for you. And we say create. So here we create the playlist. And then you watch that and it's added to your playlist. So the next time you want a video, you can look at that playlist. Or if you want to watch it later, you don't have to search for it again. You can go straight to the playlist. Now, the playlists are right here. So if I click on this, you'll see that there are the playlists here that I can watch. Now, this one hasn't been added yet, but it's right there. So you can watch playlists for later. Let's go and take a look at the next thing, which is, let's look at these 3 dots. These 3 dots are actually really special because you can click it open and then you can open this transcript. And when you open the transcript, boom, you have words here written. And these words are the same as the subtitles. You want to make sure that this is English subtitles. Sometimes it's auto-translated. So you take this here, right here, English subtitles needs to be in English. Don't have it auto-translated. You can use this. It starts with the timestamps. So I don't like the time on there. So you can see there's time. I don't like them, so I take them off. And the beautiful thing about this is we've got it playing here. You want to hear something. This is interactive. So I click on it and here I can see it written. I can hear what they say. As they go past, I can click on it again and listen to the same thing again and keep on listening. So that will help you in hearing the phrases again and again. That's it. These are my tips for using YouTube so you can listen and understand English better in YouTube. So let's just review very, very quickly. You need to be signed in. That's very important. Use something you're interested. I suggest food. When you do, when you find something that you're interested in, you click on it and you can use and watch something there. So we did tahini. We can, let's say, do this. And as you're watching, make sure go to the middle of the video and listen to how difficult it is. See if they have transcripts. When you do, check to see the subtitles. Here you can see it says auto-generated English and English subtitles. You want natural, really translated or really transcripted into English. That's important. The next thing you want to do is put it on your playlist here. So you've got your playlist and you can put it into we can put it into the English learning playlist. That will help it, and so you can watch it later. Then you come and you want to use these 3 dots. You open the transcript, you take off those timestamps. You see here that it's auto-generated automatically. So we want to take that off and we want to make it normal English. That'll be a lot better. Then we can go down and listen to what they're saying. You can listen to it again and again. And you can also copy the whole text and put it into your word processor or something like that. That's all I have for you today. I hope this helps and good luck in learning English. Until next time, have a great time. Bye.